Looking to upgrade your Honda Ridgeline's interior? We've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 seat covers to add comfort, style, and protection to your ride. Let's dive in. At number 5 on our list, we have the Elantrip leather seat covers. These covers strike the perfect balance between comfort, style, and affordability. Designed for a snug fit, they stay in place even with frequent movement, no slipping, sagging, or bubbling. The sleek design instantly upgrades your interior, while the front pockets offer convenient storage for small items. Users rave about their durability, with no early wear or tear, and their easy-to-clean surface keeps them looking fresh and shiny. For those seeking quality and style on a budget, the Elantrip leather seat covers are a top-notch pick. At number 4 on our list, we have the LINGVIDO leather seat covers. These covers are a game-changer for anyone looking to protect or refresh their Ridgeline's interior. With a premium leather feel and a tailored fit, they blend seamlessly into the seats, hardly noticeable as covers at all. Installation is quick and easy, taking as little as 15 minutes with the help of a handy YouTube guide. They're not just stylish, they're durable and compatible with seat warmers. While armrests may cause minor adjustments, the overall quality and sleek look more than make up for it. If you want an affordable way to revitalize your seats, the LINGVIDO leather seat covers are a fantastic choice. At number 3 on our list, we have the Aierxuan leather seat covers. These seat covers are a blend of style and functionality. They're easy to install, even from a beginner's perspective, and they provide a tight fit that looks like the original upholstery. The leather-like material adds a luxurious touch, complete with that authentic leather smell. Cleaning is a breeze, and they stay comfortably in place during daily use. The only slight adjustment you might need is after lowering and raising the rear seats, but that's a small price to pay for such a premium look and feel. If you want to transform your interior into something that feels brand new, Aierxuan delivers perfectly. At number 2 on our list, we have the OASIS Auto Leather Seat Covers. These seat covers are an absolute game changer. Designed for a perfect fit, they're easy to install and elevate the interior with a premium look. The high-quality material not only protects your seats but also adds a touch of luxury. Buyers rave about the fantastic quality, excellent packaging, and speedy delivery. It's no wonder many are coming back for a second set. If you're looking to protect your seats while upgrading your ride style, OASIS Auto is a solid investment. At number 1 on our list, we have the Coverado leather seat covers. These seat covers deliver the perfect combination of style, comfort, and durability. They fit snugly, with secure clips for both the front and rear seats, ensuring they stay in place no matter what. Owners rave about their premium look and feel, with soft leather and rich colors that outshine the original seats. Installation is a breeze, especially the rear seats, and they don't interfere with seat heaters. Sturdy, well-made, and economical, these covers are a top-notch upgrade for any Ridgeline owner. If you're aiming for style and practicality, Coverado has you covered.